So look, if you're an investor or a trader and you don't have any Bitcoin, what are you doing? I mean, really, what are you doing? Don't miss. Okay, you know what? Let's just go deeper. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So I want to talk a little bit about market structure today, but I'm not going to cover everything. I actually just want to cover one stage. There's 4 stages of a market structure, or I like to call it, market cycles. But, looking at Bitcoin here, we are clearly heading into what I would call the first stage, which is the accumulation stage. And I'm actually just going to read this definition to you out of a book that I read, Price Action Trading Secrets. You can get that on YouTube, but to read it to you, an accumulation stage occurs after a decline in price, and it looks like a range market within a downtrend. The logic behind this is the market can only go so low before the buyers step in and push the price higher. So if you have been watching Bitcoin like I have, you know that, of course, all 2022, it was just, all downhill, right? Just a decline in price. Then we kind of hit this box that I boxed up right here, and we kind of been staying in it. We broke out where I thought we was heading down to 13,000, but didn't quite make it. And then as soon as 2023 came in, you see right here, 2023, boom, start to move up. We've been running, but Bitcoin keeps stopping right here at 25,000. So what I'm saying is that I still believe we're going to get probably one more drop, but even if we don't, we're probably about to head into an accumulation stage, part of a market structure. And in that stage, the price is we're just going to range more than likely in between, 25,000 and 17,000. And so what that's going to do is going to give you great opportunities to dollar cost average. So you should just be buying and buying and buying while Bitcoin is accumulating before it rockets out of here and heads into another stage where it starts to, reverse and then starts to just shoot up and get into what I call here harvest, which is after the Bitcoin halving, which is going to take place April 2024. So again, if you are an investor, now is the time to learn about Bitcoin, buy Ethereum. I mean, it's been lovely. Just this little run here has been so lovely. If you have been dollar cost averaging all last year on whatever coins, altcoins, Ethereum, just crypto in general, then you've seen what has happened. Just this little run was nothing. It only went from 17 to 25, but I mean, my portfolio is looking good. And so that's what I've been trying to prepare people for, and that's why I've been trying to teach about dollar cost averaging on cryptocurrencies, because once Bitcoin runs, everything runs. And Bitcoin historically has done this over and over again. I'm gonna show it to you again. If I just go back in time, we see the same drop. Here's the accumulation stage before the kind of relief rally, then accumulate some more before the big run up. This is historical data. So none of this is new for Bitcoin. Same thing here, drop down. We got the couple years of, a bear market, then an accumulation stage. So this is the accumulation stage of a market structure. After the accumulation stage, we build up, the buyers build up that momentum, and boom, relief rally. Boom, some more accumulation for another run. Then we get the Bitcoin halving right here, and boom, takes off. So, I mean, you can go all the way back to the beginning of Bitcoin back in 2009, and you will see that this is just the market cycle for Bitcoin, or if you want to say market structure. Both fit in this case, but right now it looks like we may be in that accumulation stage. So now is the perfect time to dollar cost average. Just buy a little bit of Bitcoin. Every check, $25, $50. Think of it like a 401k. You put into your 401k every paycheck, buy a little Bitcoin every paycheck. And I'm telling you, in 2024, you're gonna thank me. You're gonna thank me. Just buy a little bit. Don't try to break the bank. Don't try to go all in. None of that. Just dollar cost average. Just buy a little bit, because we're gonna be in this zone for a while. I mean, just even this box here I have going to May, and you know, this is kind of a guess, to be honest with you, but it's been fitting, so I'm not gonna change anything. Like I did these boxes months ago, and they are holding prices, so we're just gonna leave them as they are and see what happens. But you know, you can expect, and you know, this is 1 attempt, 2 attempts, 3 attempts to get past 25,000. There is a lot of sell pressure here because Bitcoin cannot make it past 25,000. So I'm gonna be very interested to see if it makes it through. If it makes it through it, then hey, the bottom may be in. The bottom may be right here if it makes it through it. If it does not make it through it, we're probably going to pull back down and move sideways for quite some time, which is wonderful. It gives you an opportunity to buy. So all this year, take advantage. Buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy blue chip cryptos. And when this Bitcoin halving comes in April 2024, man, I'll give you my web address to send the gifts around Christmas time to me, because you're gonna have some extra funds to do that. So just stay tuned. We'll keep watching. But market structure lesson for the day is accumulation stage, and so you can find this in any market, but right now it's happening in Bitcoin, where we've been dropping all last year. We dropped through 2022, and now in 2023 looks like it's going to be an accumulation year. But that's going to be great. You'll be able to buy it dollar cost average, and when you get that first relief rally, wow. I mean, cause this little run was so nice. I just can't imagine when we come back into the 39 range, 42 range. Oh my goodness, it's going to be great for all of your coins. If you've picked good projects. You know, I'm not saying that every crypto is legit, of course. You know, we know there's plenty of duds out there. But if you know how to pick good projects, who have good use cases, don't have too many coins available, then you're going to be in good shape. But just stay tuned. And hey, Bitcoin, we're going to watch it. We're going to see what happens. If it breaks through, I'm saying this is the bottom. If we can't get through that 25, we may see 13 again, which is just another great buying opportunity. So we'll see what happens. So until the next video, this is JD. And as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.